Hey Stunning fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you're going to be watching us transform a table, a kid's table actually, that we found on Facebook Marketplace for free. Absolutely free. So we spent $0 on this project because we had everything that we needed. The next time you see a really beat up table on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Nextdoor, Craigslist, wherever you purchase from online, from used sellers, make sure that you do not pass that offer up. If you do need a table, don't feel defeated if you see that it's really beat up, it looks really old. Sometimes just some sanding, some fresh stain, and some polyurethane can do a world's difference to a table. This table was really easy to transform. It just took a few steps. So this is a good project for a beginner DIYer. We essentially sanded it all down after disassembling everything. There were some parts of the table that were hard to sand because, it's hard to get into every crevice. So we sanded everything that we could. Next, we put it all back together and assembled it, and then we polyurethaned it. That's it. That's all the steps that this project required. We hope that you all enjoyed this video. We probably are going to add a little umbrella for this kids table down the road, but for now this is the finished product. We hope that you all have a wonderful week, and we will see you next time.